Hello everyone. Today in class 8 we will start new chapter. Chapter number 5, that is Introduction to Java and BlueJ. In this chapter we will learn how to write a program in Java, and we will learn software BlueJ that is used to write a program and compile the program in Java. So first of all, what do you mean by programming language? We all know that language is a mean of communication that is used to share idea, feeling, etc. Like example, we are using English language or Hindi language to communicate. Same thing, to communicate with the computer, we need some kind of language that computer also understand as well as human also understand. That's why we have created a programming language. Programming language is a language that is used by human to communicate with the computer. Like example, various kind of programming languages, C++, Python, Java, etc. These are the programming languages from machine languages to the high level language. Machine language, that is the only language that directly understood by the computer. That is written in a 0 and 1 format, using 0 and 1 or binary language. After that, machine language will come to the assembly language. That is, there are different kind of instructions that we will use to write down an assembly language. It is like an English-like language, but to write a code in assembly language, we have to proper knowledge of hardware also. Then next generation will become, that is, high level language. It is called a high level language because if you don't have the knowledge of the hardware also, then you can write down a program or programming language, that is high level language. It is not directly interconnected to the hardware of computer. Like example, we are using high level languages C++, Java. We don't know about the processor, what is the capacity of processor. We don't know how the data is going to save to the computer memory. We don't know any information about the hardware. That is a high level language. To write a code in a high level language, you don't require the knowledge of a hardware. So these are the high level languages, C++, Python, Java, etc. that we are going to learn Java. Now, we will learn some definitions about code, program and programmer. Program, all of you know that program is a set of instructions. We will write the instruction in a programming language, and that is called the program. Like if I write down the add, that is for addition, that is a instruction. Then source code, a program written in a human readable form is known as a source code. Like example, in C++, whatever we are writing, that is your source code. Now computer directly don't understand that code. Computer understand only 0 and 1. So that code we have to convert in the form of 0 and 1. That is known as an object code. So object code is a code that is converted by a translator into a code that computer understands. It is known as an object code. Now programmer, the person who writes a code, is known as a programmer. Now we will start our basic Java. What is Java? Java is a high level programming language. Java is also object-oriented programming languages. We have discussed in class 7th there are two kind of programming language. That is a program-oriented like C, that is a program-oriented, and object-oriented programming languages we also discussed, and its feature also like abstraction, polymorphism, object and class. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. Now Java is a machine independent language. Here machine independent means Java can run on any platform or on any operating system. Like we have various kind of operating system, Windows, Linux, Apple, OS operating system, and in mobile phone we are using Android operating system. So Java is a machine independent language. It means that if you write down a code in a Windows, that same code can run on the Linux also and Mac OS also, and same code can run on the Android also. That this feature is not available to the other programming languages like C++. That is not a machine independent language. If you write a code in Windows, that same code will not run in a Linux. So this is a very important feature of a Java, that Java is a machine independent language. So we will discuss more about this machine independent, how it is in next class. Then Java can also be used to create internet based application. Like we have learned HTML in lower classes 6 and 7. Same kind of application we can create using Java also. And that is one as the Java applets. We can write down the applets in HTML and we will show it. Java programming language is developed in January 1996 by a team of Sun Microsystems headed by James Gosling. So Java is the only programming language that is used to develop a program, desktop application, mobile phone application, games, and also for the web pages. Now, this is all for Java in this video. In next video, we will learn BlueJ, how to write a code in BlueJ, how to compile, how to check the error, the code in BlueJ, and we will write our first program in BlueJ. Thank you.